Superintendent Kipulet ke distrik West Jante Hills Bikram di Marak ula pentip baik report jangka postmortem halor ke jengyap udoloi ke ilaka Nartiang. Kipulet kidang ap hadu menta benio ke jing sisa leng baga kenhuan kiriu sampang bat ki doktor. Habekran bikilat patai kubor hak office terekam jang superintendent Kipulet ha ka singi balang jangka tayo kata hakan deru terek ukala lengkot ule itu baik med udoloi ke ilaka Nartiang uhap sing dhar lalap aka step jangka lai terek menta ubenai nak jaka kebelatip kum kamukim. Kemudian markab bat kesnang wa ejer bat kamu pliang haga distrik West Jante Hills. Shushu nukli ki pulet ke distrik ule itu banadu balayo ajeng tip ya kene kejingja badan kamet basdin pasi balapen shisha bakadei kamet jong udoloi ka ilaka Nartiang uba hepsing dhar. Nakaliang marak ule itu ba marmar kila pentip jaka kenhon jaka crime scene unit ke bana Shillong. Bala kerpat ru iki magistrate jaka distrik bakenet ban shimti kamet nagbenta ban le ke postmortem ha Jowai Civil Hospital ke badan Hayalong. Ula ongru bayakani kamet basdian hau telai kala abandon de kibunsngi. Nraya kani on sala ban pensisha ha kebaan apshwa hadin baladak ban le ke badan kambaro jaka kenhon jaka riu sampang kenang banyo ban pensisha halur kene kejingja baro laong shosho Bikram di Marak.
The person which has been identified is number one is a Doloi, and yes, there is a case registered against him also few days back where he was alleged in that particular case. The police party has went there. Yes, our police party has found out the one body hanging in a tree. So accordingly, it has been identified through relatives and through the villages that that the body belongs to Hapsing Dar, and accordingly, we had called for the crime scene unit from the CID to assist us in following all the procedures of the suicide case, and on top of that, we have requested the magistrate to do the inquest. After all the formalities are observed by the crime scene unit from Shillong and inquest by the magistrate in presence of independent witnesses, the body was taken down and sent to the Civil Hospital Joy for postmortem, and we are still waiting for the postmortem report.